Hi friends, I'm Sucheta, Vedic astrologer, and the topic is regarding uh, Indian politics. Today, I'm going to share you some important facts or some event which is going to affect Indian political scenario. This is majorly affected by the upcoming Rahu transition on 21st September, which will be combined by the solar eclipse, last solar eclipse of December 2020 of this year, and this will affect one of the most important Indian national opposition party. The eclipse will be very difficult for this particular party. As my astrological prediction, the solar eclipse and the combination of Rahu is very turbulent not only for the world but specifically for this old party which I am talking about, opposition party of India. This may effect this event may occur 21 days after and before the occurrence of the solar eclipse December 2020. The major event will be a demise or disease of a big leader of this opposition party. Why this event will be so massive? Because this particular leaders I'm talking about act as a bond to keep the party strong, but also play a very important role in Indian politics. The influential leader directly indirectly has united the party workers, members and associates. The importance will be recalled and remembered after the loss of the person, even with many difference in opinion among the party workers and conflicting attitude of the leaders. The party has survived and remain in power in few states, with coalition or without, because the influence of this leader by hard work and struggle held the party strong and unbreakable. So, with this huge reduction in the health and demise of the opposition party leader, the party will scatter and face huge problem or huge loss. We will see the eclipse will bring fragility and fall of this national opposition party of India, resulting in rupture and break until the result will be loss of power in few states of India, and the upcoming major political scenario will be very different from now, and which is uncontrollable, and the conflict between and the misunderstanding between the uh, party people will be visible by the masses and will be a news for the world. So it is a very transitional time going to come for a few. I'm talking about an opposition party. So see, let's what is going to come, what is going to be unfolded by the future, and at last, I feel that this particular party will be history for the coming generation. Until then, what is going to come, we'll wait and see. Till that, take care. Bye, Sucheta.